Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I have an unboxing, a new Be Happy box from the Happy Planner. This one is Angel and Stitch themed, and it is currently available now to purchase. So if you're interested in purchasing, I do have my affiliate link down in the description. But yeah, I'm going to flip through all the things that come in this box and show you all the goodies with Angel and Stitch. So first off, you do get a cute little box, has them on the front. I think that's the only design, Happy Planner on the sides. And inside, it's a little bit more fun. You get them on the inside cover, really cute. And then you have this fun scrapbook paper, tissue paper, cute little sticker. It says cute and feisty, kind of represents them. But I love the blue and pink tissue paper. So we got the Stitch paper, the Angel paper. This would be good for using in your planner, in your junk journal. Those are always fun. So I'm gonna open this up. Try not to rip the sticker. Okay. And then we're gonna see all the cute stuff in here. So the first thing is we do get this little card, which again is something that you could use in your planner or in your junk journal, but it is a little card with details of all the items in this box. Let's see, first thing up we have is, looks like a marker board. So let's see what they're calling this. Yeah, a magnetic dry erase board. Let me take this out. Okay, so we have this. It's a nice little magnet on the back, has Stitch and Angel on the corner, and then you do get a little marker that is magnetic that you can use on the board. So that's cool. I don't think I've seen them do a magnet board exactly like this. This like nice one that you could just stick on your fridge. So that's fun to see. And then next we have, it looks like a pen pouch. Oh, actually it is a pen pouch, but it's got a little strap on the back that you could put around your planner. It has a little pocket here in the front so you could put some pens, easy to reach, on the front, and then you can secure some things inside in the pocket. And I believe, let's see if my pens will fit in here. Yeah, this pen, yeah, fits nicely in there. All right, so let me put these things back. Sometimes I leave the stuff in these pouches and then I can't find them later on, but that is a cute little pouch. All right, we have a sticker book. I will flip through this a little bit at the end, but we do have a really cute sticker book. And next, ooh, what's this? Oh, I think these are micro notes. Okay, these are always fun to have on hand. So we have 2 micro notes. So these 2 little tiny notebooks here with some note paper. These are always nice to just put in your bag. For note taking, just like little scratch paper too. So the paper is dotted line and it has Stitch, like his silhouette, on the back. Very nice. And then there's the back cover. Okay, and then this other one has both of them on the front. And then the paper, again, dotted line paper. And then we get Angel on the back. Okay, so that is 2 micro notebooks there. Very nice. Okay, then we get some bookmarks. Themed, of course, with Stitch and Angel. Oh, it's just a bookmark, sorry. Okay, so 1 bookmark right here that you can snap into the plan. I think there's a planner or notebook. I think it's a notebook. So we'll put that in, but you do get 1 little bookmark that you can use in your planner. Okay, and then next, oh, this is the, okay, is this a, let me see what this is. This is a, oh, it is a planner. Okay, so this is going to be an undated deluxe cover planner. I love the deluxe covers that they've been coming out with. Look how cute this one is. It's so adorable. So it says big plans. It actually has like these little silver little sparkly bits. Kind of have like pop out a little bit so you can feel them. So that's cool. All the foiling parts. And then we got Stitch and we got Angel. It comes with metal discs and it's just really, really cute. Last time they came out with a Stitch box, I think it came with a planner and I think it came with a deluxe cover. And I really wanted that cover, but I didn't get that box in time to get it. But that was more of a classic size. So it's cool that they came out with oh, you know what? I think this is the first time I've seen a skinny classic deluxe cover like this. So hopefully that means there's more coming like this, because I love these covers, and right now I've only been seeing them on the classic and big. I haven't seen them on the skinny classics, and I do take this size with me grocery shopping, so I really like that. Okay, so I'm gonna flip through this once I get this box out of the way, but we do have a planner. Let's go through the rest okay, I saw these in a video they posted, and I really like this kind of paper. I wish they did more of this kind of paper, actually. Okay, so these are cool because they are half sheets, so they'll fit in your skinny classic very nicely. Also, you can put them in your just regular planner. But the reason I like this is because they're already pre-folded for you to use, and then you just fold them up. You have a little list right here, and then inside, once you open it up, you have a full like dotted line page here that you can write in, and then on the back you have dot grid. So I like that it has all the options on just this one piece of paper. You have a checklist, you have line, and then you have dotted grid on the back. So I love that. You get a few good stack of those. And then this looks like it's the last thing in this box. I think it's cards. Looks like cards, because there's envelopes. Okay, so we got some envelopes here, and then it looks like little Valentine cards. A little card that you can write a note on the back. Or again, you can use it in your planner. You could tape it in your planner with some washi, or you could put it in your junk journal. So this one says Love Life, and then the back has Stitch. Then we have Find Joy. We got Angel on the back. Super sweet. Oh, that's cute. Super sweet. And then you can have space for writing on the back. And then Life is Better with You. How cute. Okay, my nephew asked me to be his Valentine, so I think I'll give him this one, like to write a little note to him, because that's super cute. Okay, and then you get the envelopes. All right, so those are all the items. I'm gonna take this off, and then I'll flip through the planner and the sticker book next. So let's do the planner first. Let me move this up a bit. And then take this plastic off. All right, so this is, again, an undated planner. You have this little sticker sheet here to label the tabs. Okay, first page is a little name page. Oh, and then also I really love the pattern inside. That's really pretty. You could always, if you want to change up the cover, like you could take this side right here and put it on the front. And then you have like two different kinds of covers just from this one set. All right, this side is a line or a grid paper, and it's kind of got that blue. It's a bluish color. Okay, first little dashboard or divider is Love Life, and then you have month of, little dotted line section, top 3, and important section. You have all the dates here that you can write in. Use it for pre-planning, or I like to do like one thing a month. You can write that in too. And then we have just a standard skinny classic layout, which has Monday through Thursday on this side, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then a little note section. You do get a little silhouette of Angel, and then it does have some design going down the punched edge. Okay, so you got all those. Oh, and then the silhouette does change. Oh, this is Stitch. Okay, so you got Angel, and then you got Stitch. So it rotates between those two, like that. Okay, then we got pink grid paper on this one. Next one, Always Trust Your Heart. So this one's gonna be more of a mint color, blue color actually, but same design. Okay, and then next cover is pink. So it'll rotate, it looks like, from the blue and the pink. Okay, so we'll just go over the covers. This one's fun. Stitch, or the dividers. Find joy with you, or life is better with you. Shine bright, angel, shine bright. We got Stitch, be brave, be bold, be you. Then we got Angel on this one, super sweet, it's so cute. And then Stay True with Stitch. And then that's the end of this planner. Again, I love these covers. Look how fun that is. And like I said, you could always take this, take this off and then put it on the front, and then you have a different kind of vibe for your cover or for your planner. And then you can always add some of these little note papers in your planner. We can add in the little tab if you want to mark a section in your planner. Really nice, cute planner. Again, I love seeing this size with one of these deluxe covers. That's super exciting to see. Okay, last thing is the sticker book, which in my opinion is always the best thing to see. I love stickers, so let's get through this book. All right, so we got some boxes here, and I love the colors. Checklist with little hearts. How cute is that? With the little hearts. Okay, I got some boxes, some quote little boxes, more functional boxes here. Write it down, cute and feisty. Some little washi stickers. Okay, these are like foiled boxes here. And we got the colored ones and bullet points. Some blue foil on this one with Stitch. And then we got Angel with the pink. Oh, these are cute little hearts. Looks like Saturn. Focus, to do, appointment, today. Some circle ones. A couple circle ones. Some little happy, sweet, nope, today, total chaos, chill, carefree, and snacky. Kind of moods on that one. Ooh, these are fun washi stickers. I like the little patterns on them. Those are cool. Okay, so those are washi stickers, appointment stickers, and remember the plans, and task, headers. Okay, now we're getting into the decorative. Like, look how cute they are together. Okay, then we got Angel. More Angel quotes. Then Stitch. And Stitch with quotes. Some foiled ones of them together. Little headers. So appointment, to do, dream big, task, plan. Then we have Stitch, happy, chill, Angel, cute. Ooh, some fun little sparkly pieces here. And you get them in foil. I believe that's it. Yeah. Okay, so those are all the things. Really fun products. Nice little box here. If you love Stitch, if you love Angel, if you love Disney, if you want to just try something out new, this one's so cute. Super adorable. Even for like a kid, I feel like this would be a fun box to get, especially like this planner. I feel like a kid could totally use this planner. Of course, adults too, for everybody. This is like an everybody box, which I like. It's super adorable. Okay, so that is going to be it. Again, if you're interested in any of these or in this box, my affiliate link is down in the description. You can purchase it now from the Happy Planner. So that is going to be it. I hope you enjoyed watching as I unboxed the new Be Happy box from the Happy Planner. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.